Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Char's Recipes. Today we are making a delicious Kashmiri fish served over fragrant basmati rice. This is very easy to make and takes about 25 minutes to prepare. I can confidently tell you this will taste better than any Indian restaurant you will visit. I will show you how to prepare this dish so it is perfectly cooked and flavorful. You will easily be able to make this dish at home after watching this video. Let's get started. For this Kashmiri fish recipe, you will need the following ingredients. 1.5 pounds of fish, cut into 2-inch cubes. Today I am using wild-caught Pacific rockfish. A half cup of Greek yogurt, and a half cup of heavy whipping cream. Gently whisk the yogurt and heavy cream together until there are no lumps, like this. A 1-inch piece of ginger, the one I'm using today is about the size of my thumb. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or ghee. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric. 1 green chili. I used a serrano today, and feel free to adjust this down if you want it less spicy. Half a teaspoon of coriander seeds. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground bay leaf, or you can use a 1-inch piece of bay leaf, and 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander. 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. We will start by peeling off the skin of the ginger, like this. Don't worry too much about the nubs. If they are too small, just cut them off and move to the next step. Next, grate the ginger. Today I am using my grate plate. I find it very handy, and I've left a link to purchase it in the description, but you can also use a box grater. I like these because there's no risk of cutting my fingertips. Next, slice the green chili, like this. You can make it as fine as you like it, and smaller bites will mean each bite has a bit less heat. Grab your parsley and cilantro and rinse it. I put mine in between a paper towel to quickly dry it, like this. Finally chop your parsley and cilantro. The last thing we'll do before starting to cook is cut the fish. Why do this last? Well, today everything we cut will be cooked, but if everything wasn't being cooked, we would not want to spread pathogens by first cutting fish and then cutting parsley garnish. This way, non-cooked ingredients will not come into contact with raw ingredients like fish. Before we start the next step, begin heating up the pan so it's nice and warm when we add our spices. Today, I'm using my heavy cast iron pan, so it will take about 10 minutes to heat up. While that preheats, I will combine my dry spices together, like this. Now we're ready to begin cooking, and since we did all our prep, this part will go really fast. Into your hot pan, add the tablespoon of vegetable oil or ghee. Next, add the spices we combined and cook them for about 30 seconds while they release their aromas and lightly toast. Behind that, add your green chili and grated ginger and continue stirring. Give this another 30 seconds. And then we'll add our heavy cream and yogurt combo into the pan. This will cool the pan down, and if there was any burning, it will have stopped with this addition. Give the sauce a stir to incorporate the spices. Add the fish into the pan. You can add part of your garnish here or wait until the very end. I usually add half now and half at the end. And cover for 10 to 15 minutes. Look at this delicious Kashmiri fish. Doesn't it make you want to have a bite right now? I wish you could smell my kitchen right now because it is amazing. The fish morsels are tender, juicy, and flake apart. The tanginess of the yogurt against the refined notes of cumin, coriander, and turmeric make this dish a delight. The rice will soak up the sauce and make the rice very flavorful. I genuinely recommend you try this quick recipe out. You probably already have most of the ingredients. If you found today's video useful, please share with your friends and family. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Chef Char.